Hi, my name is Karina Harris, and I am doing my biology presentation on pig organ transplants. Basically, pig organ transplants are basically what it is. It's pigs' organs, tissues, their cells will be transplanted into the human body using xenotransplantation, which is basically the process of grafting and transporting organs and tissues between members of different species. In this case, it would be pig to human. They would genetically modify the pigs, the genome modifications, and eventually the organs, cells, and tissues can eventually save lives. The first trial was in 1963 to about 1964 when human organs were not available. They actually transplanted chimpanzee kidneys into patients, and within the year a lot of them died and they believed it was electro disturbances. And then the first heart transplant in a human ever was in 1964 when they used a chimpanzee heart, but unfortunately the patient did die after 2 hours. Methods and developments, they're going to use transgenic pigs, and basically what they're going to use is the CRISPR technology, and they're going to genetically modify the DNA sequence of fertilized pigs' eggs, and then inject that pig egg back into the pig, and then the pig will carry out have birth of the pig, and then the pig will have those organs that could go into the human body. Of course, there'll be tissue engineering, stem cells, and again the exo transplants, which could save thousands of patients waiting on the donor list. Applications, of course, there will be medical and drug testing. The medical and drug testing would basically be getting the human DNA and placing it into the fertilized eggs and then transporting it into the pigs. Surgically transferring the organs, tissues, and cells into the human body. They would take the organs and whatnot from the pig and then put it into the human body. Of course, patients will have to stay in the hospital for a little bit. There will be medication, follow-ups as any medical procedure. The uses and benefits would decrease the organ donor list. There's over 14,000 people on the organ donor list, and it is gradually increasing. It goes from livers to hearts to kidneys, and the pigs would be able to carry those organs for us that we would need. We would increase the lives that are saved, and the pig tissue can actually survive long-term in the human body. As any big procedure, there is a chance that the organ would be rejected from the body. In this case, since it is coming from an animal, a lot of tissues and cells in the human body don't recognize the animals, so that's why they want to modify them before putting them into the humans. And of course, with any procedure, you're going to have the chance of infections, viruses, especially since it's coming from an animal. There's a chance that they can have viruses that originated from animals. This is my works cited, lots of information. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and that is it.